This app did not exist this morning. There was no home page, no generator, no result page, no PDF download, nothing. Just an empty folder with one question. Can Codex inside ChatGPT build a real AI app if I give it a proper product review? And I don't mean another to-do app. I mean something I could really use. Something creators can really test and use. So I gave Codex an idea, watched it build it, then push it again when the first version was not good enough. And the second part is where the real lesson is. Because the first version worked, but it still felt like a demo. Codex is OpenAI's coding agent, and it now lives inside the ChatGPT ecosystem. Depending on your account, you may access it through the ChatGPT, the Codex app, your terminal, or your editor. But the point is the same. AI coding demo is everywhere now, but most of them don't really tell much. A calculator does not tell me if Codex can build a real product. The same with the to-do app. It does not tell me if it actually understands user flow. A landing page does not tell me if it can connect an API and create something useful. So I wanted to test it with something really close to a real product. The rules were simple. I would give Codex one serious product brief. I would let it build. I would review what it created. And if the first version was not enough, I would direct it like a real product owner. This is the path people miss. AI can build, but someone still has to know what code looks like. So I chose to build an app called CreatorRank AI. And I chose this idea because it solves the problem I deal with as a creator. Sometimes the problem is not that you don't have a video idea. The problem is often that the idea is not packaged well. The title is weak, the thumbnail text is unclear, the hook is slow, the structure is flat, and the description is not really helping the video to run. So CreatorRank AI takes one video idea and turns it into a full YouTube strategy. Titles, thumbnail text, description, tags, hooks, short ideas, video structure, audience pain points, and what to avoid. So basically, before you record a video, the app helps you package the idea properly. So the big question is, can Codex build this from scratch without me writing a single line of code? I started with an empty project folder called CreatorRank AI. That part matters. When you're using a Codex agent, keep it inside the project folder. That is my first rule. Give it a clear workspace and not your entire computer. I give it a proper product brief, what the app is called, who is it for, what the user enters, what the app should generate, how the API should work, how the UI should feel. The goal is not to just make Codex write code. The goal is to see if it could really understand the product, because Codex can only build from the clarity you give it. And if you're not so vast with giving all of this, probably you don't have any development or technical background, you don't understand how to prompt it well. That's very easy, just to use ChatGPT. Explain everything you want the app to do to ChatGPT. It's going to give you the comprehensive prompt that you can copy from ChatGPT and paste into Codex. At this point, Codex started moving fast. It created the project, built the interface, added the form, created the API route, structured the results, added copy buttons, and gave me a working first version. And honestly, this is actually good. Not perfect, but good. The moment I used it as a real product, the problem became obvious. Everything was on one long page. The landing page, the features, the generator, the results, the how it works section, and all of it. And that's fine for a demo. But if I want people to actually use CreatorRank AI, the experience has to feel more intentional. The homepage should sell the idea, the generator should feel focused, the results should feel like a report, the how it works page should explain the process. And if the strategy is useful, the user should be able to download it. So I gave Codex a second prompt. In case you're prompting with ChatGPT, just tell ChatGPT what you want to fix and what Codex has done. It's going to give you the second prompt. This will save you a lot of time. My second prompt was not to make it feel prettier, which I could do if I wanted to, but to make it feel like a real application. So I'm more focused on the user experience now, even at the interface. This time, I told Codex exactly what was wrong. Everything is on one page. It feels like a demo. Turn it into a real SaaS style app. Create a home page, create a generator page, and create a result page. Improve how it works, add a better navigation, add motion, add PDF download, and do not break what already works. So this is the content of my second prompt. This is the difference between asking AI to write code and giving AI product direction. If you can explain what is missing, Codex has a much better chance of fixing the right thing. This time, Codex started restructuring the app. It separated the home page from the generator. It created a proper result experience. It improved the how it works page. It updated the navigation, added a better loading sequence. It added a PDF download. And suddenly, the app started feeling less like a demo and more like a product. And that was the biggest difference. Before, it was a page, and after, it became a journey. Now, I tested the final app with a real topic. Now, I get the full package. A recommended angle, search titles, curiosity titles, thumbnail text, description, tags, short idea, hooks, video structure, pain point, and what to avoid. This is the point where I could say, okay, this is not just an experiment anymore. This is what I can actually let people test. I'm going to make Creator AI available to channel members first. The link will be in the description of this video, and I can control the usage while I keep improving the app. So what did this actually prove? For me, it proves that Codex inside ChatGPT can build much more than tiny projects. It can take a clear product brief and create a working app surprisingly fast. But it also proves something else. Codex still needs direction. The first version was good, but it did not know the product experience I had in mind. I had to review it. I had to identify what felt wrong. I had to write a second prompt. I had to push it from working page to real user flow. And this is the part people need to understand. AI coding does not remove taste. It does not remove product thinking. It does not remove testing. It just makes the distance between idea and working version much shorter. So can Codex build a real app? Yes, but only if you stop treating it like a magic button. I will leave the full Codex prompt in the description of this video. And if you want to test and use the CreatorRank AI app, I'm making it available to channel members first. Join the membership, use the link in the description, and try it with your own video idea. Subscribe to Theos Stack for practical AI builds, coding tools, automation, and real projects like this. And I want to see you in the next one.